What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Today we are reviewing Spuddies. It is a potty seat with a ladder. If you have kids, you are probably going to eventually be potty training them someday. These definitely come in handy. We do have one. It is not a Spuddies brand, so this will be new to us. So today, I'm going to be opening it and putting it together and showing you guys how that looks. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Recommended age is 18 months and up. Potty seat with a ladder. Encourages big potty habits, big kid potty habits. Secure grip handles. The max weight is 50 pounds. Fits most standard toilet seats. Yep, let's get right into it. Comes with 2 packages. This is going to be fun. So you should have a left and a right, 6 large screws, 4 of the smaller ones, twisty dial, 2 of these, 1 footstool, and the poop sitter. Next up is the footrest. Okay. So it goes this way. Yep. there we have it. Let's go put it in action. All right, time for the example. Here we are. Open the lid. Raise the potty thing. Scoot it down. Push it down. Voila. Just as easy as that. Make sure it's level on the ground. And that's it. Despite the fact that it took me 20 minutes to build when it should have taken me 15 or 10, I think it was worth 20 bucks. And yeah, pretty simple. Please give me a thumbs up if I helped you, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.